So the washing machine project is in Kiribati. This is an island populated with about 120,000 people across 33 islands, home to one of the largest atolls in the world. Atoll meaning very slim island, sometimes only a road width apart. Now Kiribati, where we are right now, has suffered so greatly because of climate change and soil erosion. You can see behind me the lagoon, and they say that in about 50 years' time, this country will be entirely underwater. Now, the washing machine project is here and has been here for about 5 days now, and we've been trialing and doing a lot of focus groups with our Divya manual washing machines. These washing machines save people time, water and effort for those who have to hand wash clothes. Now the burden of hand washing clothes is disproportionately placed on women who have to take up much of the unpaid labour around the world, and Kiribati is not unique to this. There's a lot of drought on this island, so the country is running out of water and there hasn't been much rain. And so we hope with the research that we're doing, with the focus groups that we're conducting, that we can come back and distribute more of our manual washing machines here to ultimately give back the dignity of clean clothes and make amazing happen for a better world.
Yagi konan po pem tiran ada nama ngari kita kukonak. Singa ya tu ba sebenang kaja no akan mesti dah. Pen pia dek Arab sini hai. Singa ya tu nam.
Tu mesti naik kaya. Irang ruai deh ibu kira. Naira kita akiangan beira bemet beira tu wana konan makur ya beira yagi met ada nerudung. Dari kena na konan tak ada aku makur kuas. Erang bebe dena baya ka beneran.
Yang oyuri ngane bede to wana de bayari na buka na bede tau te ana koirare spaspai te yan tange na koya katuai beya ante te yan naus. Otirana ke enora na beya ra hanga te tau te anga ke kunande kana buka bukin to baya yo ba to bugira ngaira ke agia ara arais ori ki na ke hangan to agi makuri ori ki yaine bugini kaina no yaine. So thank you now. I think people of Kiribati now realize that not only the washing machine will save them from, you know, the hard work and the labor they will undergo when doing the hand washing physically, but the time they will have from having this machine to help them will benefit them a lot more. They will earn more money. They will have more time to look after their school children, looking after them and their school work. So, and many more. So thank you.